Hello, everyone, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is cause. It's an A2 level noun, and it means a reason for an action or condition. So, what exactly does cause mean in everyday language? Well, simply put, a cause is what makes something happen. It's the why behind the what. For example, the cause of the fire was a faulty electrical wire. Here, the faulty wire is what made the fire start. Another example is the cause of my happiness is seeing you all here today. Let's explore some synonyms for cause. We can use words like reason, basis, and origin. Now, let's put these synonyms into sentences. Instead of saying the cause of the problem was a lack of communication, we could say the reason for the problem was a lack of communication. Or, the basis for their argument was a misunderstanding. And finally, the origin of the rumor remains unknown. See how these words convey a similar meaning to cause. Now, let's delve into antonyms, words that have the opposite meaning. Some antonyms for cause are effect, result, and consequence. Notice how these words describe what happens as a result of something, rather than the reason behind it. Let's use them in sentences. Instead of saying the heavy rain was the cause of the flooding, we could say the flooding was the effect of the heavy rain. Or, the promotion was the result of her hard work. Another example is, the traffic jam was a consequence of the accident. Can you hear the difference in emphasis? Now, let's see how you can use the word cause in everyday life. Imagine you're talking to a friend who's feeling down. You could ask, "What's the cause of your sadness?" Or, if you're trying to understand why something happened, you might say, "I'm trying to figure out the cause of the delay." You can also use it in more formal settings, like discussing the cause of climate change or supporting a worthy cause by donating to charity. Here are some more examples of cause in sentences and phrases. What was the cause of the accident? There is no cause for alarm. He dedicated his life to a good cause. The cause and effect relationship between smoking and lung cancer is well established. We need to address the root cause of the problem. She is a passionate advocate for animal rights, always fighting for their cause. The exact cause of the engine failure is still under investigation. He believes in supporting the underdog and championing their cause. Poverty is often a cause of crime. The cause of a disease is unknown. Now let's recap. Today we learned that cause, an A2 level noun, means a reason for an action or condition. We explored synonyms like reason, basis, and origin, and antonyms like effect, result, and consequence. We also saw how cause can be used in various everyday situations. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this episode helpful in expanding your English vocabulary. If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to our podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others find our show and learn English too. Finally, I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word cause and share it as a comment under this video. I can't wait to read your sentences.